Every driver knows the feeling. You take your car to the shop for something small, maybe an oil change or a weird noise under the hood. A few hours later, the mechanic calls you with a long list of urgent repairs. Suddenly, what you thought would cost $50 has turned into a bill for $600. It's frustrating, confusing, and it feels like you've been tricked. But here's the truth. Most of the time, you're paying not because your car is truly broken, but because you don't know what's really going on under the hood. Mechanics rely on that. But what if you could flip the script? What if you knew exactly what was wrong before you even walked into a repair shop? In this video, we're revealing the real secrets of the car repair world. How to identify scams, how to handle repairs the smart way, and how a few small changes can save you thousands of dollars every single year. The diagnostic trap. Let's start with one of the most common money drains, diagnostic fees. Most shops charge you just to find the problem. They'll say, "We need to run a test," and before they even touch a wrench, you're already $100 in. But here's what they don't tell you. Modern cars have computers that store every single error inside something called the OBD system, the same system that lights up your check engine light. You don't need a mechanic to read those codes. All you need is a small tool called an OBD2 scanner. You can plug it in yourself, connect it to your phone, and instantly see what your car's computer is trying to tell you. A simple code like YIN P0301 might look scary, but it just means a misfire in one cylinder. Sometimes that's just a bad spark plug worth $10. Mechanics know this, but they often make it sound like a major problem, so they can charge hundreds more. By doing your own scan, you walk into the shop informed. You already know what's wrong. And that changes everything. You're no longer a customer. They see you as someone who understands their language. The replacement scam. The next trap is the unnecessary replacement. Have you ever gone in for something small, like a power window that stopped working, and been told that the entire motor needs to be replaced for hundreds of dollars? The truth is, most of the time, it's not the motor at all. It's a small fuse, a cheap switch, or even a loose wire. Mechanics make money on parts. The more they replace, the more they profit. A customer once shared how his mechanic quoted him $1,200 for an air conditioner repair. When he got a second opinion, it turned out to be a $40 sensor. 10 minutes to fix. Always ask for proof. Ask to see the damaged part. A legitimate mechanic will show it to you without hesitation. But if they hesitate, that's your red flag. The oil change upsell. Oil changes are simple, but they're also one of the easiest places for mechanics to inflate your bill. You go in for a $30 oil change, and suddenly you're told you need synthetic oil, an engine flush, and special additives. What should cost $40 becomes $150. But if you check your owner's manual, you'll see exactly which oil your car actually needs. Most cars don't even require synthetic unless they're high performance or turbocharged. And here's the best part. You can do it yourself. It's one of the easiest DIY jobs you can learn. With basic tools and 20 minutes, you can change your own oil for half the cost. That one habit alone can save you hundreds of dollars every year. And never, ever fall for the engine flush. It's one of the biggest scams in the industry. For older cars, it can even cause damage by loosening sludge that keeps your engine sealed. The power of preventive maintenance. Here's something most car owners don't realize. The best way to save money isn't to fix problems fast, it's to prevent them from happening at all. A car is like the human body. If you eat right and get regular checkups, you avoid expensive hospital visits. The same goes for your car. Checking your fluids, belts, and hoses once a month can prevent thousands in future damage. A $30 belt replaced on time can save you from a $1,000 breakdown. A $15 air filter can improve your fuel economy and extend your engine's life. Yet most people ignore these small things until they explode into massive repairs. One driver ignored a small coolant leak because it didn't seem urgent. 2 weeks later, his engine overheated and seized completely. The cost? $2,400. A 5-minute check could have saved it all. The myth of lifetime warranties. Now let's talk about the lifetime warranty scam. It sounds great on paper, right? But what most people don't realize is that those warranties almost never cover labor. They'll replace the part, but you'll still have to pay a mechanic to install it, which can cost just as much. Even worse, many of these warranties have fine print that requires you to come back to the same shop every few months to keep it valid. Miss a visit, and you lose the warranty completely. Always ask, does this cover labor? Are there any conditions? Is it valid if I move or sell my car? Most of the time, the answer will make you realize it's not worth it. How to talk to mechanics. The biggest secret to saving money on car repairs isn't a tool. It's how you talk. When mechanics sense that you don't know much, they automatically assume you'll accept anything they say. But the moment you start using simple technical terms, the conversation changes. Instead of saying, "My car's making a weird noise," say, "I think there's a grinding sound from the front brakes." That one sentence tells them you've done your homework. You don't have to be an expert, just informed. Watch a few tutorials, read your car manual, and learn what common parts do. Once you start talking their language, they treat you with respect, and they stop trying to overcharge you. Dealership versus local mechanic. A lot of people think the dealership is always the safest choice. After all, they're the official service center, right? But dealerships often charge 30 to 50% more than independent mechanics for the same job. They'll justify it by saying they use factory-certified parts and trained technicians. But here's the truth. Most independent mechanics use the same suppliers, and many are certified too. If you find a reputable local shop, you'll get honest service for half the price. Always check reviews, ask for written estimates, and compare. Dealerships count on your trust. Independent shops earn it. The check engine light panic. That orange light on your dashboard is every driver's nightmare. But before you panic, remember that more than half of check engine lights are caused by minor issues, like a dirty sensor or even a bad battery. Instead of rushing to the dealership for a $200 diagnosis, plug in your OBD scanner. It'll tell you exactly what's wrong. A simple fix might be tightening your battery terminals or cleaning a sensor with a $5 spray. But if the light is flashing instead of steady, that's serious. It means your engine is misfiring and could be damaged. That's the only time you should get help immediately. Buy your own parts. Another big secret, you don't have to buy parts through the shop. Many mechanics mark up parts by 50% or more. If a sensor costs $60 online, they'll charge you $120. Websites like RockAuto, AutoZone, and even Amazon sell the exact same parts for half the price. Buy them yourself and bring them to your mechanic. Most will install them for a small labor fee, saving you hundreds every year. The emergency kit every driver needs. Imagine being stranded on the highway at night with a dead battery or a flat tire. Having a basic emergency kit can be the difference between panic and control. Keep jumper cables, a tire inflator, gloves, and a flashlight in your trunk. It costs less than $50 to put together, and it could save you from a $200 tow. Even small things like a tire sealant spray can make a big difference. These little investments pay off every single time you're on the road. Conclusion: cars don't have to be expensive to own, they just require awareness. The more you understand how your vehicle works, the less likely you are to be tricked. You don't need to be a mechanic, you just need to know when something doesn't sound right. With a bit of research, a few smart tools, and the willingness to ask questions, you can save thousands every single year. Knowledge is your best defense, and confidence is your best tool. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more car-saving secrets. Share it with anyone who owns a car. They might save a fortune because of you. And in the comments below, tell us, what's the most ridiculous repair bill you've ever been given? Let's help each other stay informed and avoid the traps that drain our wallets. Because in the end, smart drivers aren't just careful, they're powerful.